the ride at all times and avoid swaying from side to side during the ride. Sit back and enjoy the journey ahead.
How are you feeling?
It's so close to the one.
No, they have a
Safety distance
one.
Transit lah.
Yeah.
A bit hot.
Wow,
很
hot.
热哦。
Singapore weather is no joke seriously.
Oh my god， 它可以不要这样摇吗？
Yeah. Actually 不会很高你看，不会很高，
高？
不会很高，不懂会多远呢
I think 没有很远啊。我们没有开吗？不然
？Yeah.
I think 等一下那个 Transverse 的你去吧，我
Travel 是走那个。
As we glide above the treetops, take a moment to
Are
look
you
around.
taking the whole thing?
Beneath
Yep.
you lies Rainforest Wild Adventure East. Forest paths lead through lush greenery and wildlife roads. From up here, you will experience
哇，你在流汗了。
rainforest, waypoints,
哇。
是因为我有一点点
and
的
animals too. With a
巨高，
sweeping view,
OK。
所以我的手会出汗的。但是它一直走我 OK，把它一 stop
它会摇的时候你就怕。
啊，没有它一 stop， then 一走哇，在moment 就会。
Off to your right is the hidden forest. If you wander through it, you might just catch a glimpse of elusive okapi.
它一个 ride 这样子 maybe 2-3分钟。
The ravine habitat
刚
in
没
the
有看
wild
哦，
is
10分钟都不到啊，就有拍照。
food, water, and protection, allowing wildlife to move safely through the forest, still
What's the
hidden
ravine swing?
from
Yeah, that's a ravine swing.
Yeah. 这里好像有点高。
As we pass over the ravine, look for movement below. Perhaps we'll spot red river hawks foraging, or the
那你确定会上
natural
来
by the
会，
water's
它有 elevate。
Habitats like this support a rich mix of wildlife, each adapted to life along forest floor and waterways.
它蛮远哦，
呀，
它的 distance。
我还以为会10分钟没有。
没有啦，这样多人排
5分，这样子我们真的是排40 minutes 哦。
差不多。
30、10。
In the water below lives a rare freshwater crocodile,
没有看到
Sunda Garden.
没有嘞。哦，有一只鳖，我看到了，
有的啊，
那边有一只鳖，我看到。
为什么这么摇啊？
因为它的那个上面那个是给你摇来摇去的嘛。
Is a true giant. Can you spot the estuarine crocodile? Reaching over 6 meters long.
没有看到。
Weighing over a ton, it is the world's largest living
回
reptile.
去了，没有了。
它回去啦？
对啊，
它是回去了吗？
有啊，
Off
差不多
in
了
the。far distance to your right, you'll find an
Pygmy
island
lion.
of pygmy hippos. Shy, mostly nocturnal animals from West Africa. They weigh just around
那边有一只鳖，你看那边，
250
它会有一只看到那只
kilograms,
鳖。
tenth the size of their
有吗？
larger
没有啊，跑进去
walk-on
啊。
cousins. Above, you may also hear diner monkeys, known
哇
for
，3
their
minutes 啊
remarkable
，about
range of calls.
maybe 4+ minutes。
等一下你可以看你的 video 咯。
Canopy Glider 哎。
Oh, you made this one?
前面那是 private climb 啊 ，private climb。
Weeks of discovery, Rainforest Wild Adventure East. Hope you've enjoyed your journey above the rainforest.
Yeah,
Wish you a
4
wonderful
minutes
time
plus a bit.
exploring the rest of the park.
可以吗？